Hi, welcome to my video on changing radical form to exponential form. The previous video we changed exponential form to radical, now we're going to change radical to exponential. We need to go both ways. Changing radical form to exponential form. So in the radical form we have the cube root of x to the 7. So exponential, the base is x. The 7 to the 3. That's the m, and that's the n. The root 3 goes on the bottom of your fraction. And this is the same one. This one is the same. You could rewrite it like this. So this is the 4 through the 3 to 7 power. So that could be written like that. And the base is 3, and your root is 4, and m is 7, so 3 to the 7 over 4. This is the square root of 2. Notice that's square root, so that's a 2 understood to be there. So the base is 2, and we got 5 over 2. So the root, which is 4, which is 3, which is 2, the root goes to the bottom of the fraction in the exponent. And we have the fifth root of 6 squared. If we rename it, we're squaring it, so we put the 2 as a power of 6. So the base is 6, and it's 2, 5. 5 is the root, the fifth root, so it goes on the bottom. And e is the fifth root of 3 over 7. Again, the root of 7th root goes on the bottom of the fraction. And we have this one, the square root of 9, or 7 to the negative 9. We could rename it if we want. We could make it 1 over 7 to the 9th power and eliminate the negative. So the root would be, the base would be 1 over 7, and it would be square root is 2, and I'm writing it back as radical again, sorry about that. So I got 1 over 7, so it's 9 divided by 2. We don't need that. I already had radical form. We're going to write radical form again. And we have the 5 can go to the power of 1/3 like that when you rewrite it. So the base is 1/3. Did I do it right? And the exponent is 5, and I need to put a bracket on that because it's a fraction. It's the 5 over 2 as an exponent is to the 1/3. The bracket has to go around it to indicate this on both of them. And the last one, the base is 2, and the root is 8. That goes on the bottom, so it's 11 over 8. 2 to 11 over 8. Okay, and pause your video and see if you can get the 6 of these right. Change radical form to exponential form. Here we go. Base is 5. The exponent, the root is 4, so it's 5. And later on, you could also make that 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 4 goes 2. So this is the answer. But you could also have it like that. You wouldn't be wrong because you reduced the fraction. So instead of a 4th root, you have a square root. The base is 3, and the root is square root, so it's 2. 7 is the numerator. And we have the cube root of 2 to the 5th power. The 5 goes to the power of 2. So the base is 2. The root is 3. 5 is in your numerator. Again, the base, the root, which is cube root, is in the denominator. The square root, which is 2, is in the denominator. The 4th root, which is the root, is in your denominator. And we have a negative exponent. So let's see if we can change that. So 1/7 becomes 1 over 7 squared. Now we have no negative exponent. So the base is 1 over 7. Oops, I'm going to say 2 then. Bracket. and the root is 5, so it's 1/7 to the 2/5. And this is the 7th root of 1/5, and the 3 goes a power of 1/5 underneath the root. So the base is 1/5, the root is 7, 7th root, and 3 is the M. And the last one we have 6 is the base, and we have the root is 9, and M is 4, so 6 to the 4/9. Again, the root goes to the bottom of the 4 as the denominator. The 7 goes to the bottom of the 3. So the root is in your denominator. So that's changing radical form to exponential form. It's good to go back and forth. It's good. If you like my video, click the like button, subscribe button, notification bell. Visit my website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. And that's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.